Okay, come to the next part of nutraceuticals. Herb as a health food. Okay, herb as a health food. That is next part of nutraceuticals. In this subtopic of nutraceuticals, these are nothing but what type of herbs that is used as a health foods particularly. Origin of hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Origin of herbal medicines. I think you know that we also know very well that is this primitive man and woman that had treated illness using plants and animal parts and minerals, not part of a common diet. Physical evidence goes back to 60,000 years to the burial site of the Nandalthar, that is man who was buried with 8 species of plants. Okay, 7 of these plants are still used in medicine today. Okay, garlic. Among that is garlic. You know that very well. That is a very important drug. Okay, garlic, Allium sativum, is a root crop that is of the family Liliaceae. It is among the oldest of the all cultivated plants. In fact, its species name sativum means cultivated. The leaves are long, narrow, and flat like grass. It is a member of the same group of plants as like our onion, okay, leek, etc. The bulk of allium sativum is the only part of the plant eaten. Okay, it is a compound in nature and consists of numerous bulbes known technically as a clove. Okay, single that is part we that is known as a or called as a clove. The cloves are grouped together between the membranous scales and enclosed within a whitish skin, which holds them as in the sac. Okay, medicinal history of garlic in traditional Chinese medicine, Islamic medicine, Folklore medicine, and the Ayurvedic system of medicine, several species and herbs, including garlic, are described to possess medicinal properties. In China, garlic tea has been long recommended for fever, headache, and cholera. In rural Japan, that is miso soup that is containing garlic is used as a remedy for the common cold with headache, fever, and sore throat. The Egyptians, that is medical codex Eber Papyrus, we know that this dating to about 1550 BC includes 22 therapeutic formulations that mention garlic as an effective remedy for a variety of ailments, including heart problems, headache, bites, worms, and tumors. Dioscorides wrote of garlic ability to clear the arteries dated back to the 1st century AD. Now, from the Roman antiquity through World War I, garlic poultices that is were used to prevent wound infections. These are some common uses of garlic, that is common cold prevention, heart disease prevention, antiseptic, antimicrobial activity, insect repellent, anti-cancer effect, strengthened immune system, antioxidant effect, anticoagulant effect, high cholesterol, hypertension. Then ancient Egyptians, Indian, Greeks are used garlic extended to tumors. Studies in China and Switzerland link regular garlic consumption with decreased risk of stomach and colon cancer. Okay, these are some compounds that is isolated from garlic. Join allicin, allicin, that is a very important core component of this garlic. Then allyl disulfides, allyl sulfides, then trisulfide, cycloalanine, cysteine, cysteine sulfides, then cysteine, diallyl sulfides, dimethyl sulfide, disulfides, and glutathione. The next drug that is herb as a health food, that is alfalfa. It is very important drug. Medicago sativa, known as the queen of forage. Remember this, queen of forage means what? Dash dash dash. Alfalfa is also known that is called as a lucrere. One more again, this is important. Originated near Iran, first introduced to America in 1736 by colonists. Oldest cover crop in the United States, very high yield legume and very good pasture crop. Description is a herbaceous perennial legume. Mature alfalfa used as a 5 to 25 stems, height 15 to 25 inches, leaves altering on stem, leaflets are linear, oblong, and towards end, commonly known as midhair. Maidenhair, known for its green fan-shaped leaves that turn yellow in autumn. Unique seeds, not used in extract. An extract prepared from dried green whole leaves. Nutritional value, it mainly contains a big group of vitamins, minerals, vitamin C, D, E, K. Sun-dried hair of alfalfa has been found to be a source of vitamin D containing 48 nanogram per grams, that is vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. There is a reference to vitamin D2 and D3 being found in the alfalfa shoot. This is awaiting verification. Mushrooms are not allowed in Jain vegetarians, making alfalfa the only known source Jains can use to make vitamin D2 supplements. Traditional medicines, that is use herbal medicine for over 1500 years. In early China, medicines physicians use young alfalfa leaves to treat disorder related to the digestive tract and the kidneys. In Ayurvedic medicines, physicians use the leaves for treating poor digestion. They made a cooling poultice from the seeds of boils, and at the time, alfalfa was also believed to be beneficial to people suffering from arthritis and water retention. And in US, uh, health reports there is insufficient evidence to evaluate the medicinal value of alfalfa. Next, third drug, that is ginseng. Ginseng, that is our ashwagandha, like ginseng, comes from the family Aralaceae, and angiosperm. 13 species of Panax are considered to be ginseng, considered to be a cure-all, found in Asia and North America, and two important species, Panax ginseng, Asian, and Quinifolicis, that is American. More general facts, root is a medicinal part of the plant. So here root is mainly used. Okay, root can live for 100 plus years, can be taken in the form of tea or as a tonic, stimulant and adaptogen, and number of users estimated in the millions and growing annually. Physical description: smooth perennial herb, large fleshy, slow growing root, spindle shaped, heavily annulated, a few small yellowish flowers, fruit is cluster of red berries, and uses charms, ensure sexual potency, guard health, prolong life, relieve pain, strengthening mental powers, eye wash, air acne, air ashes, then stop bleeding and enhance healing and frighten away ghosts. That is, it is considered as a chemistry. It mainly contains flavonoids, triterpenoids, the glycan, peptide, vitamin A, B6, volatile oil, and sugar, lipids, phenolic substances. Ginseng has been known to work as an antidote, anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor agents, anti-diabetic, cardiotonic, and also as a hypoglycemic, immunostimulant, panacea, stimulant, stomachic, and tonic. Uses blood condition, brain and nervous system, cardiovascular, immune system, gastrointestinal, genitourinary, glandular, inflammatory, respiratory tract, and menstruation. Blood condition, blood disease, hemorrhages, brain and nervous system, stress, drug and alcohol abuse, depression, enhanced memory, concentration and cognitive abilities, insomnia, Alzheimer's disease, stimulant CNS, and CVS aids in prevention of CV diseases. Cure pulmonary complaints, cardiac arrhythmia, heart attack, heart failure, increase BP, blood circulation, regulate blood pressure, palpitation. See the fantastic that is uses of this particularly drug. That's why it is used as a health food. Immune system, stimulate the immune system, improves the resistance to infection, increase the resistance to stress, disease, and gastrointestinal stimulate appetite. Genitourinary increases production of body fluids, removes more waste products, and glandular condition benefits the endocrine system, pituitary and adrenal glands. Inflammatory, inlays and works well when combined with licorice. Again, respiratory tract, asthma, cold, cough, various chest problems, chronic bronchitis, etc. And others mainly include boost energy levels, diabetes, dissolve tumors, helps in sugar and fat metabolism. Side effect: it is a stimulant, hypertension, insomnia, irritability, decreased sexual function, euphoria, headache, then menstrual abnormalities, palpitation, skin eruption, tremors. Should not be used if you have acute asthma, infection, and hypertension, or if you take caffeine or other CNS stimulant, morphine, haloperidol, MAO inhibitors, blood thinning medication, aspirin, and warfarin. Next, come to the part that is herb as a honey health food. Honey is a sweet food made by bees using nectar from flowers. This is a nutritional value of honey: fructose, glucose, maltose, sucrose, water, higher sugars, and ash and other undetermined. And these that is mentioned here in percentage. And medicinal uses: historically, honey has been used by humans to treat a variety of ailments from gastric disturbances to ulcers, wounds, and burns through ingestion, that is tropical applications, but only recently have the antiseptic and antibacterial properties of honey have been chemically explained. Fenugreek next, that is methi, we called as methi, that is particularly seeds are often used as spices, and the leaves of the plant are used as a herb. It is rich in protein, copper, magnesium, manganese, iron, dietary fiber. Apart from the seeds, the other parts of the fenugreek plant also have medicinal value. Intake of fenugreek balances cholesterol levels, treat diabetes, and lower the blood sugar. The fenugreek seeds have a lot of mucilage, which smoothens the GI inflammation by protecting the stomach and intestinal linings. And this herb cures the inflammation and is hereby home remedy for boils, skin pus, burn, and gout. It is recommended for pregnant women and it aids in childbirth and milk production while lactating. Then very important, that is our Indian, that is called as ginseng. Indian ginseng is also called as a ashwagandha, winter cherry. Remember this synonym, important for MCQ point of view. Ashwagandha, it is one of the most important herbs in Ayurveda, a form of alternative medicine based on Indian principle of natural healing. It has been used for over 3000 years to relieve stress, increase energy level, and improve concentration. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a Sanskrit for small of the horse, which refers to both its unique smell and ability to increase strengths. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, that is horse. Gandha means smell. From that, the name, that is, its botanical name is Vidhania somnifera, and it's also known as several other names, including Indian ginseng, winter cherry. Remember all this synonym, its name. Okay, ashwagandha plant is small herb shrub with yellow flowers that's native to India and North Africa. Extract or powder form, the plant's root or leaves are used to treat a viral. Many of its health benefits are attributed to its high concentration of viroids, important chemical moiety, which have shown to fight inflammation and tumor growth. Winter cherry is a well-known herb that is commonly used as a diuretic, aphrodisiac, sedative, tonic, anti-inflammatory agents, immunostimulant, and it helps in the body. Furthermore, it aids in the proper functioning of the nervous system. It improves concentration, sexual abilities, and asthmatic conditions. Ginger, adrak, we know that it is also called as, or it mainly contains gingerol, a substance with powerful medicinal property. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. Ginger may reduce muscle pain and inflammatory effects, can help with osteoarthritis. Ginger may drastically lower blood sugars and improve heart disease risk factor. Ginger can help treat chronic indigestion. Chronic digestion dyspepsia is characterized by recurrent pain and discomfort in the upper part of the stomach. Ginger may lower the cholesterol level. Ginger contains a substance that may help to prevent the cancer. Then chicory. It is a edible perennial herb having a long taproot, a round stem, light or dark green color leaves, pale blue flowers. See in the picture. This perennial herb is scientifically known as Chorium itaceus and can be grown in every season. Chicory is a native to Asia, North Africa, and Europe, but today it is cultivated all across the world. Egyptians consume chicory in large amount to eliminate toxins from the liver and to purify blood. The purple petals of the chicory flower can be used in salad. Root is used to mix with coffee after roasting and drying, and while other parts of the chicory are used in cooking as a medicine. The immense nutritional value and innumerable health benefits of chicory has made its most sought after food supplement that offers several health benefits to people all over the world. And it is a food additive and flavoring agents. Amla, very good. It is one of the combination of Triphala Churna. It is well in Ayurvedic formulations. I remember this Ayurvedic formulation. The name Triphala Churna. It is one of the chemical. It is one of the constituents. Others two are Hirda, Beda, and Amla. So it is one of the important formulation, or you can say that constituents, or you can say that ingredients of well-known Ayurvedic formulations called as a Triphala Churna. Health benefits: cures sore throat and cold. Amla reduces constipation. And we know that very well nowadays. It contains our vitamin C role during this pandemic. It is mainly source of vitamin C. So amla helps heal painful, that is mouth ulcer. So it is acts as anti-inflammatory. Again helps in weight loss. Okay. In your daily life, it is very important. Dried amla for snacking. Then spirulina. That spirulina is blue green algae. It is one of the again important health. Okay, that is important herb. Is believed to be one of the oldest life forms on Earth. First used by the Aztecs as a endurance boosters. It is considered as a superfood in all of in one source of nutrients, including protein levels comparable to eggs. The Aztecs also used spirulina to treat various diseases, and legends said that the kingdom's messengers used the algae to sustain their marathon runs. Modern research supports many of the alleged benefits of the taking spirulina and continues to study its potential for treating health concerns. Spirulina has a bitter taste, so people often mix it with yogurts, juice, and smoothies to improve its flavor. It is commonly available as a supplement at health food stores. It mainly contains nutritional value, protein, fat, carbohydrate, fiber, sugar. And again, it is good source of thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, copper, iron. Okay, and also magnesium. Potential benefits: this is okay, anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, chronic inflammation, cancer, immunoenhancing, cholesterol, and blood cells. So herb as a full food. So here we completed regarding the what herb as a health food. Thank you very much for listening. Okay.